Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, God bless you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are preparing natural black rice oil for faster, healthy and stronger hair growth. This black rice oil is not only used for hair, you can also use it on your skin. It cleans, softens, moisturizes, soothes, nourishes and smooths the skin. It slows the look of aging and brightens the complexion. Black rice oil helps to strengthen your hair roots. It improves the elasticity and flexibility of your hair. It restores hair's natural shine. It stimulates hair growth. It helps hair grow longer and stronger. Using black rice oil to massage your scalp helps to tackle dandruff. Preparing this black rice oil, we are going to use coconut oil and virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil is high in antioxidant content and it helps maintain scalp and hair health. It also prevents the hair from cell damages. And also coconut oil prevents hair breakage and split ends, contributing to hair length. So first step preparing this black rice oil, we need to first grind the black rice into powder. We need to make sure that the black rice is well grinded. And after grinding, transfer the black rice powder into your container. Add your oils. Make sure that your oils cover the rice powder. You can use single oil, you can just use olive oil or just use coconut oil or use any other oil of your choice. In this video we are going to use double boiling method, and we will be putting the heat in a very low heat to avoid damaging the nutrient which we needed from the rice. After adding your oil into the rice, stir the oil properly to mix it together with the rice. Then prepare your pots for the double boiling method. Add water into your pots and put your rice oil container inside the pot to boil for 2 hours. After an hour, bring out the oil, give it a stir and put it back inside the pot to boil for more 1 hour. It's 2 hours now. After taking down the heat, I have to leave the oil inside the pot to cool before I'll sieve it. Now it's time to separate the rice oil from the rice powder. Please relax and watch this video to see how I separated the oil. I promise you will enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I have to go now. I believe now you already know how to make your own rice oil. Always remember to add your own essential oil, any preferred essential oil of your choice. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to hit the red button and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you also have any other video to suggest, let me see your comment on the comment section. See you on my next video. Bye.